5:41. I just hit 2 miles on the climb out. It's supposed to be 3.9, so this should be just a tad over the halfway point. And I also happen to be at 8,740 feet in elevation, which is exactly 1,000 feet from the parking lot in altitude. So 1,300 feet climbed, 1,000 to go. Doing pretty good on time. All goes well. I should make it back to the car right around sunset, as I had hoped, 7:08 p.m. Walking west now, like directly into the sun, so cannot really see much. It's getting a little steeper here. (6:08), precisely 1 hour until sunset, and I'm standing at 9,000 feet, which means I have 740 more feet to go to get back to my rental vehicle. I actually had the visitor center in sight back there. It's just over that ridge, but the trail sadly doesn't go straight up there. It goes up here and then curves around and kind of comes across that ridge and then down into the parking lot. So, but I'm close, and I've got a full hour till sundown, so that should be good. It's getting quite cloudy now as we get closer to sunset, and the sun has already gone down behind the mountains to my west here. So the beautiful illumination of the crater has disappeared for the day. But I'm going to plow on here and finish this puppy out. 6:30, the end is in sight, but it still seems a really damn long ways away. You can see the trail is going up here and then curving around and coming up on that ridge, and then it kind of goes behind that and drops down into the visitor center parking lot. That's the visitor center right there, and the summit viewpoint is up there. I don't know, that peak to me looks closer than that peak, but that one must be closer. It must just be a illusion. So anyhow, I think I've got about a mile to go and 38 minutes of daylight left. So fortunately, it appears to be a very gradual ascent, but I feel like I should be there by now. Meanwhile, some people have hiked down the mile or so here to set up for stargazing tonight. They're the first people I've seen in a couple hours since the last trail junction, I believe. Alright, let's push ahead. See if we can finish before sundown. (6:57). We're now 11 minutes from sunset, and the end is not in sight, but we believe it to be just around the corner. This last stretch has just been like seemingly never ending. You got to the point where you could see the visitor center, but then it doesn't go straight up. You come like way around. Oh man. But here's a gorgeous view. Probably one last time looking down into Haleakala crater. You can see some color appearing in the sky as we inch towards sundown. I just saw saw a car driving out, so that must be the road that goes like the half mile up from the visitor center to the peak. Ooh, come around that bend there, and there is the sun getting ready to head to bed for the night. That's the summit lookout tower up there. That's just so weird because that peak looks higher than where it is. So. Okay, watch just beep 7 o'clock, so assuming this isn't too much farther, I should meet my goal of being back to the parking lot by 7:08. And yeah, maybe I can get some good shots of the sun going down, and then it will be time for me to go down the mountain and go to bed. It's been a very long day that started when I got up around 3:30 p.m. yesterday, something like that. Let's see here. I've now been awake 27 hours and 9 minutes. Well, here's the road, so visitor center, and my vehicle can't be that far away. Looks like a bunch of people up there waiting for sunset. Oh my God, I see the parking lot. Oh, hallelujah. Ah, here we go. The last few steps. And what perfect timing. I may have time to hop in my car and drive the couple minutes up to the summit, or just join those people over there maybe for the sunset. So this all worked out quite well in the end. I have to pat myself on the back for the excellent itinerary planning. I see my SUV. Oh God. So it says Hollow Manu Trailhead 11.2 miles. But I clocked in more than that. Now I did take a spin around that one loop trail. Let's see what I've got here. 12.1. So almost a mile difference. Oh, those lava rocks sure are pretty at sundown with the sun blazing down on them, aren't they? Horse loading ramp. Did not see any horses. I see all these bars and things for tying up horses, but did not actually see a horse. Okay. And here we go. 7:05, 3 minutes before sunset. The end. What a wonderful day, but I am exhausted. Okay, I think I'm just gonna walk to there. I don't really feel like getting in the car to drive up there when, although sundown may be a few minutes later from this altitude, but well, hell, I might as well go up to the summit. I'm here and it's not that far. One thing I do want to do is get my final run keeper hike stats, and look at that, 12.12 miles, 7 hours and 41 minutes of hiking time. Average moving speed 1.58 miles per hour, and I had budgeted done the itinerary based on 1.5, so that was almost dead on. Yay for me.
Activity stopped.
Okay, officially 1 minute till sunset. So let's get up to the top.